that there are two cubes and each cube has got volume 64 centimeter cube. This is a cube here and its volume is 64 centimeter cube. So this is one cube, volume is 64 centimeter cube, and this is connected with another cube here, right over here, and this is here like this way. So both the cubes are here joined end to end. So you get a cuboid. Okay, you get a cuboid. So this is one cube, 64 centimeter cube volume. This is another one. When both of them they are joined together, then they form a cuboid. The question is that what is the total surface area of this cuboid? So write down, when two cubes of volume 64 centimeter cube, when two cubes of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end, they will form a cuboid. They will form a cuboid. They will form a cuboid whose length will be 8 centimeters, breadth will be 4 centimeters, and height will also be 4 centimeter. Now how this will happen, let's see. This is cube here. So its volume is given as 64 centimeter cube. The cube volume is 64 centimeter cube. So the volume of cube is what? Side cube. So a cube is equal to 64. So a is equal to a cube is equal to what? 4 cube. So a is equal to what? 4 centimeter. So side of each cube is equal to what? 4 centimeter. This means this is 4 and this is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. The total length will become 8. Breadth will be only 4 and height will be 4. Now the total surface area of the cuboid is equal to TSA is equal to total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. Apply this formula. Length is how much? How much is the length? What is the length? 8 into 4 plus breadth into height 4 into 4 plus height into length 4 into 8, 32, 32, and this is 16. 2 into 32 plus 16 plus 32. 32, 32, 64. 64 plus 6, 70, 80. 80 into 2, 160. 160 centimeters square. Okay. So this is the total value of this. Any doubts? If you have, you can ask. Any doubts? If you have, you can ask. Next question, write down. Second question. A vessel is in form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner curved surface area of the vessel. Okay. Now write down the question. Question number 2. Question number 2 says that A vessel is in form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The hollow hemisphere, and above that there is a hollow hemisphere, hollow cylinder. Can you see this? Hmm? Okay. So there is a hollow hemisphere, and above that there is a hollow cylinder. Now the question says the diameter of the hemisphere is 14 and the total height of the vessel is 13. The diameter of the hemisphere, this means this from here to here, this diameter is given as, the diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. This is 14 centimeter. Okay. And the total height of this vessel is from here to here is 13 centimeter. Got it? Question is clear? And then you are asked to find out the surface area of the vessel. What is the surface area of the vessel? Okay. What is the surface area of the vessel? Okay. Now you see, this is whole diameter is 14. This means if the radius of the hemispherical part is 2r, so 2r is equal to 14 centimeter. So radius will be how much? 7 centimeter, right? And now you see, this is 7. 7 means what? From here to here, this is 7. Total height is how much? 13. Total height is 13. This is 13. Okay, this is 13. And from here to here, this is how much? 7. So the height of the cylindrical part will be what? 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is equal to what? 6. 6 centimeter. So 13 minus 7 is equal to 6 centimeter. So the height comes to be how much? 6 centimeters. The radius comes to be how much? 7 centimeters. Okay. So here the curved surface area of this part will be what? The curved surface area of this region will be what? 2 pi r, and this will be what? 2 pi r h. So inner curved surface area will be about 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So that is going to give you what? 2 pi is common, 2 pi r is common, bracket r plus h. So that is going to give you 2 times pi value is 22 by 7. Radius is how much? 7. And then it will be what? R is what? 7 plus height is how much? Huh? Height of this cylindrical part will be what? 6. 6. So 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 into 7, 7 will be cancelled out. 22 into 2 is 44. So 44 into this comes to be 13. 13 is this, 44 multiply 52, 52, that is equal to 2. 5 plus 2 7, 572, at 572 centimeter square. Okay, this is the surface area of this part. Understood? Okay. Okay, I will send the picture on the group. Okay, okay, I will send the picture on the group. Next question, write down. A toy is in form of a cone. A toy is in form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter. A toy is in form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radii. If the total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of the toy. Find the total surface area of the toy. Okay, I repeat the question. A toy is in form of a cone of radii 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius, full stop. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter, full stop. Find the total surface area of the toy. So you see, in this question it says that there is a toy and the toy is like this way, hemisphere is there, above that there is a cone. Okay, so a toy is there in this shape. Okay, a toy is in the shape of a cone of radii 3.5. The radius is given as 3.5 centimeter. The radius is given as 3.5 centimeter. Mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5. This height is given as 15.5. And you are asked to calculate the total surface area of the toy. Got it? In order to calculate the total surface area of this toy, what you will do here, you see this is radius is given as 3.5. This means this is also 3.5. Total height is 15.5. From this, if you subtract 3.5, you will get this will be 12. So this is 12 and this is 3.5. So this slant height you have to calculate. So L is equal to square root of 3.5 square plus 12 square. So that is going to give you square root of 3.5 square plus 12 square. That is going to give you 156.25, which is equal to the square root of 156.25. Its square root is 12.5. So this is the slant height comes to be how much? 12.5 centimeters, right? Now what you have to do is you have to calculate the curved surface area of this conical part, plus you have to calculate the curved surface area of the hemispherical part, right? So write down total surface area of the toy is equal to curved surface area of the conical part, that is pi rl, plus the curved surface area of the hemispherical part, that is 2 by 3 pi r square. Wait, the hemispherical part will be 2 pi r square, where r is 3.5. Now you can place the values and simplify and find out the value of this. Okay, that will come how much? The pi rl 22 by 7, radius is 3.5, slant height is given as, you have calculated 12.5 plus 2 pi r square, 2 into pi is 22 by 7, radius is 3.5 into 3.5. Okay, solve this. You can 7 will cancel here, 0.5, 0.5 into 22, 11, 11 into 12.5 plus this will be 7 cancelled here, 0.5, 0.5 into 22, 11, 11 to the 22, that will give you 22 into 3.5. Okay, so on solving all this, you will get the result. The answer will be how much? 214.5. Solve this. 214.5, 241.5, 214.5, that is equal to this much centimeter square. Okay, clear?